Hey YouTube, hi, I'm Mason and this is my Superlite SLC build. I'm building the same chassis, the same type of car that Tavarish was going to build, except mine has never been on the road. It's a brand new chassis, but I'm modifying it to put in a BMW V10. Here's the beast itself. I'm getting ready to, I'm doing the work to get it set up to do a test run. So I'm gonna see if I can at least get it turned over. I've already been able to get some pressure into the fuel system. If you look here, got about 40 pounds of pressure in the fuel system. Need to get a little bit higher, but at least it's been holding that pressure overnight. We got twin Bosch 044 fuel pumps. And this is a return type system, so fuel's coming in this tube and then returning through this one back into the tank. Yeah, so got my oil accumulator all hooked up. I just built the AN lines tonight. Just built the AN lines, got the oil filter and the oil cooler hooked up. These are custom welded AN 10 or 10 AN bungs on the original oil coolant lines. Yeah, so hoping to pressurize the oil system and get this thing fired up soon. Just need to do a quick electrical test. Got my reminder on there, no oil, need to fill it up with oil. Yeah, so just a few more steps and I should be able to at least see if this thing's gonna crank over, see what kind of missing sensor readings I get. And that will let me know that this thing's gonna run.